Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today for another Bible sketch notes. And we're in the book of 1 Kings. We're finishing up 1 Kings. We already did Elijah and Solomon, and now we see that the kingdom is divided. So I'm thinking maybe to do something with the division of the kings and who's reigning. Or I could do something with Samaria and Jerusalem. I don't know. But anyway, this is a 90-year period, the divided kingdom. So I want to do something about that. I think I may think of another story that I might want to highlight, but I think that's what I'm going to do. I could do Ahab and Jezebel. But anyway, we'll see. So I'm going to put in a fast forward, and whatever I feel led to do is what we're going to do. Alrighty, so I am done, I believe, and this is the final verdict. So it says 1 Kings, and I just put a couple rub-ons, a couple crowns, and some arrows, and this is the post-Solomon reign. So this is now the divided kingdom, which lasted about 90 years, and so not only did the kings divide, but the land divided. So we see Jerusalem is now the capital of Judah, and Samaria is the capital of Israel. And so we have a lineage of kings representing Judah, and a lineage of kings, well, not necessarily lineage, but kings representing Israel. So with Judah, these are all relationship-based kings. They're the son of, blah, blah, blah. And we see they did evil, and two did right. So the kings, this is after Solomon. We had Rehoboam, his son, and then Abijam, and then Asa, and then Jehoshaphat. So Asa and Jehoshaphat did right. But when we look at Israel, these kings are not necessarily biologically related and through bloodlines. We have a servant, we do have a son, he's not even related at all, another son, a captain, another captain, and then a couple more sons. But what we see consistently through the kings of Israel is did evil, and evil. And we haven't even gotten to 2 Kings. This is just 1 Kings, the book of 1 Kings. So we had Jeroboam, Nadab, Baasha, Elah, Zimri, Omri, Ahab, Ahazah. And I didn't even go and look into Hebrew names to see if I pronounced them correctly. But that was just my quick run through those. But anyway, so Judah started around 925 to 586 BC, and Israel 925 to 721 BC. So this is the beginning, and this is the end of the book of 1 Kings, and so we will be going on to 2 Kings. And of course I would have a pen. It's not going to write over my crayon because it's waxy. So I need a marker. Let's see. Alrighty. So we are done with that, and now we'll have this posted this week, and then we'll be moving on to move on to 2 Kings. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. And remember, the most important thing is that you get into the Word of God. You don't have to draw it, you don't have to chart it, but these are just some extra tools to help you, jot down the things that you learn in the procession, in the order, so it can help you. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe, and take care. God bless. Bye-bye.